Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. So today we have to solve for the value of x given that 2 raised to x plus 1 minus 2 raised to x minus 1 should give us 30. So I shall take you through step by step up to the final solution. If you're watching us for the first time, kindly remember to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. Comment where you're watching us from, and straight away on the solution part I'm gonna do the prediction part, or by testing. I want to test if I should be able to get the value of x, which if I substitute in this equation, the output should give me 30. So x, I want to test if x is 2. Let me test, because if x is 1, then the number is a fraction, a very small fraction on this other side. So if x is 2, then this becomes 2 raised to power 3. This is of course 2 to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 1, because 2 minus 1 is 1. This gives me the answer as this is 8 and this is 2, and the answer is 6. So when x is 3, guys, we're just testing and see with the actual value. So this becomes 2 to the power 4 subtract 2 to the power 2, and this becomes 16 minus 4. You're gonna get 12. Let's try fx is 4. This becomes 2 to the power 5 subtract 2 to the power 3, and this is 32 minus 8. You're gonna get 24. So it's near 30, but we're gonna test for the 5th. So this becomes 2 to the power 6, then subtract 2 to the power 3. You realize this is 64 and this is 16. 2 to the power 4 and this is 16, and this is 16, and we end up getting the answer being 48. So guys, it's evident that our x value is in the range of between 4 to 5, because if it is 4, then the output is 24, and when it is 5, the output is 48, but we need 30. So my first step, I'm going to apply the laws of exponents. Remember, when you have a raised to m plus n, this can be re-expressed as a to the m multiplied by a to the n. And when you have a raised to m minus n, this is just taking a to the m divided by a to the n. So that is exactly what I'm going to apply here, so that I have 2 to the x multiplied by 2 power 1 subtract 2 to the x divided by 2 power 1 should give me 30. And it is very easy to see clearly that I'm going to let 2 to the x be a variable. I'll call it m, so that this becomes 2m. This is m and this is 2, minus m divided by 2 should give me 30. So guys, at this stage, I should eliminate the denominator by pre-multiplying all through by 2, so that I have 4m. Of course, this and this simplifies, minus m is equals to, I want to get 60. So when you take 4m minus m, this is going to give us 3m is equals to 60, and that implies clearly that dividing by 3 our value of m becomes 20. Our value of m becomes 20, as you can see from here. So guys, at this stage, please remember to give this video a thumbs. You can share it, and most importantly, you can subscribe, turn your notification on. You're gonna recall that I said 2 to the x is equals to m, but for my case, my m now is equals to 20. So taking 2 to the x is equals to 20, and this implies that I want to take the logs on both sides so that I eliminate this x. The log of 2 raised to x is equals to the log of 20, so that this x comes down as x to the log of 2 is equals to log of 20. So guys, for me to remain with x, I want to divide all through by log 2, just like that, so that now my value of x for this case, x now becomes the log of 20 divided by the log of 2. The log of 20 divided by the log of 2. And of course, I know that 20 can be written as 4 times 5, that is 2 squared multiplied by 5. Replacing them there, then x now becomes the log of 2 squared multiplied by 5 divided by the log of 2. So moving on swiftly, I want to have recall that when you have the log of a multiplied by b, then this can be re-expanded as the log of a plus the log of b. At this stage, now the value of x becomes the log of 2 to the 2 plus the log of 5. The denominator was log 5, so I'm going to divide all through by log 2 as my denominator is log 2. So this comes here, and then my x becomes 2 to the log 2 divided by the log 2 plus the log of 5 divided by the log 2. That and that cancels, and then this implies that the value of x now becomes 2 plus, this is 2 plus the log of 5 divided by the log 2, which can be simplified when you recall that when you have the log a divided by the log b, and this is the same as taking the log a to the base b. This law will also guide me to rewrite the final value of x as now becoming 2, of course, plus writing it as the log of 5, and the base is 2, which is actually the final value of x which was required for our equation for our equation here. Two to the x plus 1 minus 2 to the x minus 1 is equals to 30. So we're going to go ahead and verify. You know that 2 raised to x plus 1 minus 2 raised to x minus 1 is equals to 30. But I know that my x now is 2 plus log 5 base 2. So wherever I have x, I want to replace the all of this so that I have 2 raised to, when you take this plus this, you want to get 3 plus the log 5 base 2 minus taking 2 and subtracting 1. On the top, you want to remain with 2 to the 1 plus the log of 5 base 2 is equals to 30. So expanding this power, I want to have 2 to the 3 multiplied by 2 to the log 5 base 2, subtract 2 to the 1 multiplied by 2 to the log 5 base 2, giving me 30. So you also need to recall again another law that says that when you have the base raised to b base a and the bases are the same, then this automatically simplifies to b. So that means at this stage, the all of this will simplify to 5 since the base and the base are equal. Same to this other part. So I have 2 to the 3 multiplied by 5, subtract 2 to the 1 multiplied by 5 according to this law, giving me 30. So 2 to the 3, that is 16. 2 to the 3 is 8. So I'm going to take 8 multiplied by 5, subtract 2 to the 1 multiplied by 5, of course that is 10. 8 multiplied by 5, get 40, subtract 10, end up getting 30. So guys, you've come to the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Let's meet in the next one.